Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Sophia, and today we are going to talk about how to wake up early and feel motivated.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Sophia, do you wake up early every day?
Yes, I do. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Wow, that is very early.
Yes, but I enjoy the morning time.
Why do you like mornings?
Because mornings are quiet and peaceful.
That sounds nice.
I also feel more motivated in the morning.
Really?
Yes, I can focus better and start my day with positive energy.
I understand. Waking up early can help people feel productive.
Exactly.
I sometimes wake up late on weekends,
Many people do that.
but when I wake up early, I feel better.
Me too.
What do you usually do after waking up?
First, I drink a glass of water.
That is a healthy habit.
Thank you. Then I stretch my body and open the window.
Fresh air feels wonderful in the morning.
Yes, it does.
Do you eat breakfast early too?
Yes, I usually eat eggs, bread, and fruit.
That sounds healthy and delicious.
Thank you.
I think breakfast is very important.
I agree.
Some people skip breakfast.
Yes, but breakfast gives us energy.
Exactly.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I do.
Is it difficult to wake up?
Sometimes it is difficult,
Me too.
especially during cold weather.
Oh, yes. Warm beds are hard to leave.
That is true.
But motivation helps us get up.
What motivates you in the morning?
I think about my goals and dreams.
That is inspiring.
Thank you.
Having goals can help people stay motivated.
Exactly.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I do yoga or simple stretching.
Nice.
Exercise helps wake up the body and mind.
I like walking in the morning.
Walking is a great habit.
Yes, it helps me feel calm and fresh.
Morning routines are very important.
I agree.
A good morning can create a good day.
That is a beautiful sentence.
Thank you.
What time do you go to sleep?
Usually around 10 o'clock.
Sleeping early is important too.
Yes, good sleep helps us wake up early.
That is true.
Many people stay up too late using their phones.
Yes, that happens a lot.
Less screen time before bed can help.
Very good advice.
Thank you.
Let's teach some useful English vocabulary.
Great idea.
The word motivation means the reason we want to do something.
Example sentence. Morning exercise gives me motivation.
Excellent.
Another useful word is routine.
A routine is something we do regularly.
Example sentence. My morning routine starts at 6 o'clock.
Very good.
Let's practice pronunciation.
Okay.
Motivation.
Motivation. Great.
Routine.
Routine.
Excellent.
Another useful phrase is wake up early.
Example sentence. I wake up early every morning.
Very simple and useful.
Sophia, what helps you stay positive in the morning?
Listening to music helps me feel positive.
Nice.
I also like reading motivational quotes.
That sounds inspiring.
What about you?
I like making a to-do list.
Oh, really?
Yes, it helps me organize my day.
That is smart.
Thank you.
I completely agree.
Even simple things like making the bed can help us feel productive.
Yes, small success in the morning feels good.
Exactly.
Everyone, what time do you wake up every day?
Please write your answer in the comments below.
We would love to hear about your morning routine.
Yes, tell us your healthy habits too.
Sophia, do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, sometimes.
Coffee helps many people wake up.
That is true.
I prefer tea.
Tea is relaxing.
Yes, especially green tea.
Healthy drinks can improve our mood too.
I agree.
Motivation is not always easy,
Yes, some days are difficult.
but we should keep trying.
Exactly.
One bad morning does not mean a bad life.
That is an important message.
Thank you.
What should people do if they feel lazy?
Start with one small action.
That is good advice.
For example, stand up, wash your face, and open the curtains.
Small actions create energy.
Yes, step by step.
Motivation grows slowly sometimes.
And that is okay.
We do not need to be perfect.
We only need to keep moving forward.
Beautifully said.
Thank you.
Let's teach another useful word.
Great.
The word productive means doing useful things.
Example sentence. I feel productive in the morning.
Excellent.
Another useful word is energy.
Example sentence. Breakfast gives me energy.
Very good.
English learners can practice these sentences every day.
Yes, repeating simple sentences helps a lot.
Listening practice is important too.
Definitely.
Sophia, do you think mornings are better than nights?
For me, yes,
Why?
because I feel fresh and focused in the morning.
That makes sense.
What about you?
I like both mornings and evenings.
Nice answer.
Morning is good for work, and evening is good for relaxing.
That is true.
People are different,
Yes, everyone has different habits.
but healthy routines are important for everyone.
I agree completely.
Everyone, if you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Your support helps our channel grow.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone.
Sophia, what is your biggest motivation right now?
I want to improve myself and live a healthy life.
That is wonderful.
What about you?
I want to achieve my goals and help other people.
That is inspiring too.
Thank you.
Motivation can come from many places.
Family, dreams, health, and learning.
Exactly.
Even small progress is important.
Yes, step by step, we become stronger.
I love that message.
Me too.
Today we learned many useful English words and ideas.
Motivation, routine, productive, energy, and more.
Great job, everyone.
Keep practicing English every day.
And remember to stay positive.
Believe in yourself and keep going.
Sophia, today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation very much.
Thank you, everyone, for listening today.
We hope this podcast gave you motivation.
See you again in the next episode.
Keep learning and keep smiling.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye!